If you're running a small business, of being totally invisible online, but what if you had a superpower to change all that? Today, we are diving into how artificial intelligence is completely flipping the script on SEO, turning it from this complex chore into your secret weapon for growth. And this isn't some sci-fi dream. It's a real tool you can start using, like right now. The digital jungle, it's crowded, it's loud. You're pouring everything you have into your business. Getting noticed feels like climbing a mountain. You've got a limited budget, not nearly enough hours in the day. So how in the world are you supposed to compete with the big guys?
For a long time, the answer has always been SEO. It's a constant fight to keep up, trying to find your way through that jungle with a map that's completely out of date. The endless hours you spend digging for keywords, tweaking your website, obsessively checking your rankings. It's this non-stop cycle of guesswork, really, trying to figure out what search engines like Google actually want this week. All that manual work is a massive drain on your most valuable resources, your time and your energy. Okay, this slide really just lays it all out. You've got the old way, slow, always playing catch up, and honestly, based on a gut feeling half the time. And then you have the new AI-powered way. It's fast, it's proactive, and it's built on a solid foundation of data. We're talking about a complete shift here, from just working harder to finally working smarter. And this is where AI completely changes the game. It's not just another tool. It's a brand new way of thinking. Imagine trading in that old, crumpled map for a high-tech GPS that shows you the absolute clearest, fastest path through the digital jungle. So let's get into how this thing actually works. So what's the magic here? It's not magic at all. It's the power of some really cool tech. You've got machine learning, which is basically like having a super smart assistant that learns from massive amounts of data. And then you have natural language processing, which helps computers understand language the way we do. These systems sift through all that information to automate the boring stuff and give you the strategic insights you need to get way ahead. And look, this isn't just some abstract theory. These are real, get your hands on them tools you can use today. We're talking about platforms like Surfer SEO, Jasper, MarketMuse, and RankIQ. They're totally leveling the playing field, giving small businesses the same kind of firepower that used to be only for the huge corporations. So, what are these AI-powered superpowers we're talking about? Let's break down the real, tangible ways AI can totally transform your SEO. As a small business owner, these are the new tools in your toolkit that are going to help you finally stand out. First up is the ability to see into the future. Well, almost. Traditional SEO is all about reacting. What are people searching for right now? But with AI, you can analyze data to spot trends before they even hit the mainstream. Just imagine knowing what your customers will be looking for next week or next month. That's a game changer. This is such a perfect example. Imagine your business spots this growing interest in eco-friendly packaging way before any of your competitors even have a clue. That gives you this huge head start, right? You can create the content, capture that early audience, and position yourself as the leader in that space while everyone else is still scrambling. Okay, next up is a superpower that every single business owner dreams of. No more guesswork. AI takes all that messy data, competitor analysis, user behavior, all of it, and it turns it into a clear, actionable plan. It shows you exactly what's working and what's not, so you can put your effort where it's actually going to have the biggest impact. And the results? They can be absolutely staggering. Take a look at this. A 30% increase in traffic. Now, this is a real-world example of a business that used AI and discovered that long-form blog posts with FAQs were the secret sauce in their particular niche. That is not a lucky guess, my friends. That is a precise, data-backed strategy that delivered huge results. Which brings us right to our third superpower, creating content that really, truly connects with your audience. AI helps you get beyond just simple keywords. It helps you understand the intent behind a search. It's the difference between knowing what people are searching for and knowing why they're searching for it.
Here's a fantastic, simple example. A local bakery could waste so much time and money trying to rank for a super broad term like birthday cakes. But an AI tool can dig in and show that the real gold is in a super specific, high-intent phrase like gluten-free birthday cakes near me. See the difference? That's how you attract customers who are ready to buy, not just casual browsers.
And now for the superpower that is going to give you back your time, automation. Just think of all those mind-numbing repetitive tasks that clog up your to-do list every single week. AI can just handle them for you, so you can get back to focusing on what you do best. Running and growing your business. Let's just do a quick before and after. Before AI, maybe a dental clinic owner is spending hours every month manually hunting for broken links on their site. After AI, an automated tool runs a site health audit every single week and instantly pings them if there's an issue. This keeps their website in perfect shape, all without needing a dedicated SEO expert on the payroll.
Now, with all this talk of automation and superpowers, you might be wondering, okay, so where do I fit in? And this is such a critical point. AI is not here to replace you. It's here to be your most valuable partner.
This quote just sums it all up perfectly, doesn't it? The best strategy out there blends the incredible precision of AI with the creativity that only a human, only you, can bring to the table. The AI can crunch the numbers, but your expertise, your passion, your unique brand voice, that's what's going to truly connect with people.
So, what does this partnership actually look like? Well, it's a simple, really powerful workflow. Step 1, the AI does all the heavy lifting. It analyzes the data and points you straight to the biggest opportunities. Then, step 2, you step in. You use your unique expertise and creativity to craft a message that actually resonates with your customers. The AI gives you the what, and you provide the all-important why. You know, when you combine the power of AI with your human touch, you're not just creating a marketing strategy, you're building a sustainable engine for growth. This is about so much more than just quick wins. It's about laying a really strong foundation for the future of your entire business. So, what are the big takeaways here? AI is leveling the playing field. It's finally giving small businesses the power to go toe-to-toe with the giants by reducing costs, saving you countless hours, making your strategy way more accurate, and driving a return on investment that you can actually see and measure. When it all comes down to it, this is the bottom line. AI transforms SEO from that daunting, time-sucking task into your single most powerful strategic tool for business growth. It's the key to unlocking your full potential in this crazy digital world. The tools are here. They are more accessible than they have ever been, and they are ready to give you a serious competitive edge. So the only real question left is, are you ready to embrace the future of SEO?